Plant FAQs. Biden's Alba, White Bidens. What is Biden's Alba? Biden's Alba, often known as the beggartix or white Bidens, is a perennial herbaceous plant native to North America. It's a member of the Asteraceae family, recognized for its daisy-like white flowers and its adaptability to a variety of habitats. This plant can commonly be seen in gardens and natural landscapes, thriving in both wet and dry conditions. Is Biden's Alba a perennial? Yes, Biden's Alba is a perennial. It returns year after year, making it a reliable choice for gardens where you want a plant that will continue to bloom over multiple seasons. Its resilience and low maintenance make it a favorite among gardeners. When does Biden's Alba flower? Biden's Alba typically flowers from late summer to early fall. Its bright white flowers stand out against the green foliage, adding a splash of color to the garden during this time. If you're looking to enjoy its blooms, this is when you'll see them at their best. How to care for Biden's Alba? Caring for Biden's Alba is relatively straightforward. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. Regular watering helps, especially in dry periods, but it's essential not to overwater as it can lead to root rot. Deadheading the flowers can encourage prolonged blooming, and occasional fertilization will help keep the plant healthy. How to propagate Biden's Alba? Biden's Alba can be propagated through seeds or by division. To propagate from seeds, sow them in the spring after the last frost, or start them indoors a few weeks earlier. For division, split the plant in the spring or fall and replant the sections. This method is particularly effective for maintaining plant vigor and spreading it to new areas. What to plant with Biden's Alba? Biden's Alba pairs well with other flowering perennials such as black-eyed Susans, coneflowers, and sedums. Its white flowers provide a lovely contrast to the vibrant colors of these companions. Additionally, it can work well in mixed borders and wildflower gardens, adding to a naturalistic aesthetic. Is Biden's Alba edible? Yes, Biden's Alba is edible. Its young leaves and shoots can be used in salads or cooked like other leafy greens. The flowers are also edible and can be used as a garnish or in teas. However, as with any wild plant, it's essential to ensure proper identification and confirm that it's free from contaminants before consumption. How to cook Biden's Alba? Cooking Biden's Alba is quite simple. The leaves and stems can be blanched or steamed to reduce bitterness. They can be added to soups, stews, or stir-fries. The flowers can be used in herbal teas or as a decorative and edible addition to dishes. Always taste a small amount first to ensure you enjoy the flavor. How to make wine out of Biden's Alba flowers? Making wine from Biden's Alba flowers involves a similar process to making flower wines from other plant sources. Begin by harvesting the flowers when they are in full bloom. Then, steep the flowers in water, add sugar and yeast, and allow the mixture to ferment for several weeks. The result is a light, floral wine that captures the essence of the plant. Is Biden's Alba poisonous to cats or dogs? Biden's Alba is generally considered non-toxic to cats and dogs. However, ingestion of large quantities could potentially cause gastrointestinal upset. As a precaution, it's best to prevent pets from consuming any part of the plant. What kills Biden's Alba? Biden's Alba is a hardy plant, but it can be susceptible to issues like root rot if overwatered. Pests such as aphids or fungal infections can also affect its health. Ensuring well-drained soil and avoiding overcrowding can help prevent these problems. Biden's Alba versus Biden's pilosa. Biden's Alba and Biden's pilosa are often confused due to their similarities. Biden's pilosa, also known as hairy beggartix, has a more pronounced hairy texture on its stems and leaves compared to Biden's Alba. The flowers of Biden's pilosa can be yellow or orange, while Biden's Alba features white blooms. Additionally, Biden's pilosa is more commonly found in tropical regions, while Biden's Alba is prevalent in temperate climates. Common problems with Biden's Alba. Biden's Alba is generally robust, but it can face a few common issues. These include pest infestations like aphids, which may require treatment with insecticidal soap. Fungal diseases can occur in overly wet conditions, so proper spacing and drainage are crucial. Regular monitoring and prompt action can help maintain a healthy plant. Can you grow Biden's Alba indoors? While Biden's Alba is typically grown outdoors, it can be grown indoors in a sunny location or under grow lights. Ensure it has enough space and proper soil conditions to thrive. Indoor growth may require additional care, particularly in managing light and watering needs. Biden's Alba is a versatile and attractive plant with many uses and benefits. Whether you're looking to add a splash of color to your garden, use its parts in cooking, or explore its potential in winemaking, this plant offers plenty of opportunities for enjoyment and experimentation.